This is a simple and quick video to show you how to assemble a Buzz Bee acrylic mould. Your mould will come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. You've got the base, you've got your lengths, and then you have got the end caps. So the easiest way to do this is a little bit counterintuitive, but basically you put your long sides on and then you get one of your end pieces, and this takes a little bit of jiggling, but there's a groove, there's a little groove here, and that's where you want to make sure that your length pieces are fitting into. And with your hands, try and keep it in position as much as possible, and then slide on the end piece. This can take a bit of wriggling. I've got 6 of these molds, and each one is slightly different. Sometimes it's better if you put on the side with no sticker as opposed to the side with sticker, and they're all slightly different. So when it's sitting here like this is the best time to put on your base, and for that you need just a tiny bit of cling wrap. Stretch it out like that. Make sure you don't have too many wrinkles at the bottom. And with your elastic straps that come with the mould, they generally only come with one. I like to use 2 just for a bit of extra stability. You stick that on over the top to secure down your plastic wrap, and then flip the entire thing over, making sure it fits snugly into the base. And then you can just neaten out your plastic wrap and secure it with the second elastic. And if you don't have 2 elastics, you can just use any other elastic. You can go to a homemaker centre and just buy a little bit of elastic, make sure it's nice and tight. So this works really well with soaps that are quite liquid, so when you need to have a little bit of extra protection in case there is a leak, so you don't have a massive caustic soap explosion. But if you have got very, very thick soap going into your mould, you can probably get away without having the plastic wrap. It's best if you can use a biodegradable brand of plastic wrap, just to make sure you're being as kind to the environment as you possibly can. This one does biodegrade. And that's all you have to do. So at the end, you will have your mould assembled like this. And if at all, when you're using it, these straps slip down, just make sure that you wiggle them back into place. Otherwise, you might have a slight bit of bowing at the top, and your soap could look just a teeny bit wider at the very top. But that's all you have to do. Quite simple once you get the hang of it. Good luck.